So
what is up, guys? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, here with Clay with BTZ, our preferred installer here in Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth area. We're going to show you a demo of how a URC system works and physically just give you a demo. If you guys would like to purchase anything URC or anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. We are now standing in this beautiful home theater here in Texas, and I just wanted to show this particular room's URC system, but keep in mind, I did do a full walkthrough of this gorgeous home, as well as showed the URC system throughout the entire home. But I'm going to pass the mic over to Clay, and he's going to walk you through on this tablet and show you kind of a quick little overview and demo on how this system actually works.
all right, guys, so we sell these a lot, the TDC7100 tablets. They work with MRX-5. Any of our URC brains, this tablet will work. As you can see, it's very expandable. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have exactly 18 rooms, okay, loaded into this TDC7100 here. Okay, today we're just going to demo the media room here with our very, very nice laser Epson projector up there. So you choose your room, okay? Now you have your options. You want to listen to music? We can do that. Entertainment. You click that, we can watch Roku, your media Blu-ray player, your VCR, as I showed you guys earlier. So let's go ahead and just tap Roku and watch what the room does. This turns this into the Roku remote right now, and as you can see, you have your favorite channels and your menu on the tablet itself. The projector takes a second. It's a laser projector. It takes a second to come on, but we will get picture here shortly.
So what's physically happening right now, guys, if you're interested about the science of it, is he presses a button here on the tablet, and over the network it's talking to the controller back here in the closet. And through the controller there's a couple different options. It's either sending it out through a physical sensor to the front of the unit, which I know that's how it's operating on the Epson because I can see it back there. So it's going from the tablet over the internet to the controller through a wire to the front of the unit and saying turn on. And then it's doing that to the AVR as well. And you can see, as we were talking, everything turned on. So
yes.
I just wanted to explain the process of how that works, and that you need the tablet, the controller, the sensors, and the pros to help you put it in. Back to you, Clay.
Yes, yes. And you can also do this from your phone. You do not have to purchase a tablet if you do not want to. This can all be done from your telephone that you already own and purchased. So you just, like I said, you go to the room that you desire to do something in, entertainment, Roku, or your Roku player here. Give it a second. And we have our Roku remote. Now you can watch the screen, home, that's from my phone. I can go on the tablet. We can navigate with the tablet also. So there's multiple devices that you can control your home with, not just the tablet. If you purchase a $400 brain, you do not have to purchase the tablet with it. Your phone will control your home with that $400 purchase. Let's go ahead and demo. As you can see, the light here, okay, laser projector. We are about 27 feet, okay, guys? As if you're in the business or anything, you know that the distance is about 10 to 20 feet, okay? We're at 27 feet, guys, okay? And you can see the light here with 2 windows and all of the lights on. You can see it.
It's super bright.
It's amazing. The picture is amazing. For how far away that projector is, and with 2 wide open daytime windows and all of the can lights on, I mean, that picture is beautiful.
It's pretty impressive.
That is very, very impressive. So guys, this is the tablet. Once you're done, like I stated, you just press power, shuts the room off, you walk out of the room. This is your charging station here. Simple USB-C cable. You can plug it in directly to the unit itself or the charging pad.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on URC. Quick little overview and demo. We carry the full lineup, and our preferred installers here in the DFW area, all of Texas really, we would be happy to help you out with designing a system that fits your needs. This is perfect for really large homes, guys. You have to have a control system with a house this size. 18 rooms, like good luck with a Harmony remote. It's just not going to be a viable option. So we have control systems. Actually, we have all the major manufacturers. It just depends on the region. So either Control 4, Savant, URC, we have you covered. Now, URC is definitely one of our best sellers because it's very affordable and it has leading edge technology and integrates with a lot of third parties. So great option for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision, as well as gave you some inspiration. Check out this house. I did a whole walkthrough video. We did everything. It's pretty sick. And call, reach out, utilize our free consultation service. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater here with Clay from BTZ.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back! We need you!